Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the address feature within the selling module of Parsimony. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage and organize customer addresses for efficient selling processes. To begin, let's navigate to the selling module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click here to access the selling-related functions. Once you're in the selling module, locate Settings and click the Address option. This tool allows you to manage your customers and their associated information. Select the customer for which you want to manage the address information. This is the Customer Details page. Here, you can view and manage various information related to the selected customer, including their addresses. Click on Address to access and manage the customer's addresses. Here, you'll find a list of addresses associated with the selected customer. You can add, edit, or delete addresses as needed. To add a new address for the supplier, click on the New button. In the address creation form, enter the relevant details such as address line 1, address line 2, city, state, postal code, and country. You can also specify if the address is the default or a primary address. Once you've entered the address details, click on the Save button to save the address. The newly added address will now appear in the list of addresses for the customer. You can edit or delete addresses using the respective buttons. When creating a sales transaction for this customer, you can select the desired address from the available addresses in the address field of the transaction form. Once selected, the chosen address will be displayed in the sales transaction. You can review and modify it if necessary. Congratulations! You've learned how to use the address feature in the selling module of Parsimony. Managing customer addresses allows for efficient sales processes and accurate information. Thank you for watching this tutorial.